Quick reading for April the 15th to April the 16th, Virgo. Your cards are the Two of Swords, the Nine of Wands, and the Fool card. Yes, merong separation, merong pag-aaway, hindi pagkakaintindihan. However, nawawala yung bigat, nawawala yung mga burdens, somehow humuhupa yung galit. Parang meron nga ditong isang jump, no? From negative experience to positive right away. Parang wala siyang journey na yung gradual, ang changes. Kumbaga, galit ako ngayon, and then right after ko masabi, no, yung hinanakit ko, we will jump to, okay, we're done now, we're okay, we can talk already, no, parang, let's forget about the past, I just need to get that out of my chest. The Fool card, eto din yung mga bagay na siguro doon sa mga singles, meron talagang taong bigla na lang lalapit sa inyo na matagal ka na palang gusto at, magre-reveal ng kanyang feelings. This is your quick reading for April the 15th to April the 16th, Virgo.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.